In this 2-minute trading tip, we'll be discussing the pre-market prompt. A pre-market prompt is something that I use to start my trading day after I've completed my pre-market prep process. I wrap it up with reading aloud a pre-market prompt to get me both mentally prepared for the day, as well as highlighting specific technical details in the market that I want to pay attention to during this session. This prompt is distinctively different from your trading plan or a set of rules that you follow, for example, and the prompt itself can change from day to day or session to session. This prompt can include things such as what type of mindset I want to have during this trading session. So a trader might want to remind themselves that learning is a success and that they don't need to be outcome oriented. Maybe a trader needs to remind themselves that the markets are an infinite opportunity machine. Therefore, I don't need to have FOMO as I'm trading, as I expect new opportunities to consistently arrive over time. The prompt should also include things like today's daily max loss. So is today a session that I want to be relatively cautious during? Do I want to be more aggressive during today's session? And this will be determined by my pre-market analysis. I may have 1 or 2 rules that I'm specifically interested in. So maybe I'm dealing with FOMO right now, or maybe I'm dealing with overtrading. And I want to remind myself specifically today's goal is to really be highly selective with the types of trades that I take. I also want to add in technical details that may change from day to day. So if the market is trending, I will tell myself in my prompt that I want to be more aggressive with breakout or pullback sorts of trades. Conversely, if I determined in my pre-market prep that the markets are more choppy or balanced, maybe I want to limit the trades that I take in general. Maybe I want to trade a more mean reversion style where I'm looking for fades or looking for opportunities to trade a reversal. It's also great to include things that are red flags or triggers to your trading. If you have the tendency to overtrade, what happens in the markets before you overtrade? Is it that you are at some peak P&L level of the day and you take a loss and now you want to regain that loss that you just incurred? Is it that you have taken 3 losers in a row and now you're on tilt? So the process in place is that we have a trading plan and then we complete our pre-market prep, our pre-market analysis. And then the last thing that we do is to state our pre-market prompt out loud, which will reinforce to us the importance of these specific prompts. It sounds simple, and it is simple, but give it a try and see how it affects your trading results. Now that we've discussed pre-market, the next step is to master your trading execution. For more on that, check out the video here in the center of your screen.